Members of the Bodo National Students' Union, Bonsu, from Assam today met Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in Shillong to discuss the pressing need to protect the rights of tribal communities. They also emphasized the significance of unity among tribals, particularly concerning the 6th schedule and the proposed 125th Amendment Bill slated for passage in the Lok Sabha. Bonjit Manjil Basumatari, president of the Bonsu Central Committee, urged all tribal communities to stand united for their safety and security. During their meeting, the union submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister urging him to take prompt action on their long-standing demand for the creation of a separate Bodoland state.
We are very happy here coming from Bodoland Territorial Council from Assam. And we just met our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Meghalaya. So we have a fruitful discussion regarding the 6th schedule and the 125th Amendment Bill that is going to pass in the Lok Sabha. So we have discussed regarding the rights of the tribal. So the coming the amendment bills, which that will be beneficial for us or not. So we are discussing broadly regarding that issue.